Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, your sleepy eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
Hi guys, this is Ari Says. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who's just new, thank you for checking on this video, and I hope you consider subscribing so you will be notified of my upcoming video. I'm so excited for our video today because we're going to talk about the newest release of Sony, which is the Sony ZV-E10. Let me share to you my first impressions and what to expect if you get this camera. Before we get into that, let's talk about first the different parts and buttons of Sony ZV-E10. Beginning at the back, you will see the menu button beside the flip screen, down the FN for function, and at the bottom part, you will see the delete trash bin icon. You will also have your control wheel and a product showcased button. Of course, we have here the playback. Going to the top, you will have here your power control, slide switch for on and off. Beside that would be the app for zoom and shutter, a record button, a settings control wheel, and of course, your background defocus button. At the bottom part of the camera, what you will see is a tripod mount, battery and card slot, and of course, your speakers. Going on to the side, you will have here your microphone jack. Under that, of course, your USB-C slot and HDMI slot. Down below, you will have your headphone jack. In front of the camera, what will capture your attention is the lens. We have here the 16 by 50 mm OSS lens and a recording light. This lens is also interchangeable, meaning you can use other lenses to fit in this camera. On the top portion, you will have here your windscreen, which attaches to the hot shoe, and of course, your lanyard holder where you can place the lanyard inclusive on this package. Now let's get on to the setup. Of course, you will have to put your battery first on the battery and card slot. You just have to push this and it will open. Very easy to put your battery. Once you put it successfully, you will hear a clicking sound. That means it's good to go and you can now close it. This camera has inclusive of two 32GB memory cards when you buy them from Sony flagship store in Lazada. Of course, you can upgrade this to a higher memory card depending on your preference. It's very easy to put as well on the battery and card slot. Once you've put the memory card successfully, you will also hear a clicking sound. Then you will get your power cable. So it's all included on the box, and since this is the first time you will be using the camera, the battery is drained. You will also have to get your power adapter, which you will then be connecting to your USB-C cable as well. So this USB-C cable is both used for charging and data transfer. You have to connect the other end to the power adapter and then of course to the power outlet to be able to charge your camera. Now you just have to go to the left side of the camera and open the flip. You will see here the USB-C slot where you will put the USB-C cable. You will know that it's charging successfully when there is a light. Time to open the camera. You will be able to complete the setup by choosing the language, location, date, and time. And then you're good to go. The windscreen is also included in the package, and it's very helpful if you're filming outdoors. So this minimizes sounds like the wind, so your videos will be clear, and you can just put this on the hot shoe top portion of your camera. Let's talk about the first impressions highlights of this camera, and one of that is the autofocus in stealth mode. This camera has 425 points of contrast detection, meaning you will be able to get the raw pictures clear and crisp. There is also a very reliable autofocus. I also want to highlight the record indicator, so you know that you are recording because there's a red border, and also in front of the camera there's a light. Sony mentioned that this camera is specifically made for content creators because of the defocus button and product showcase button, meaning it's very easy for the camera to focus on the product that you are presenting and automatically dims the background of the video. This does not apply to videos only, because when you take pictures, you will be able to see that there's no complicated settings and the background will be dim when you want to focus on just the It is also easy to control the zoom through the app, which gives you full zoom and rear. The video quality is also nice, even if you're in zoom or in the autofocus mode. You will be able to get the right colors, and as you can see in the video, whenever you want to highlight something and focus on that, the background automatically diminish. Or if you want to focus on the background, then the front area of the video will be dim. There is also an evident active stabilization for videos, so you will get a steady video for your contents. There is also a flip screen which you can point to the side of the camera and rotate, although one item that I discovered was this is not touchscreen, so meaning you have to utilize the buttons at the side of the camera. That's it for our unboxing and first impressions. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something about the Sony ZV-E10. I will surely make another video featuring in-depth functionalities of this. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to comment down below and I will surely answer that on my next video.